Hey guys, I hope you are not as good as I am. Today we're gonna configure IPv6. First, open Network and Sharing Center, choose an interface to configure it, Properties, IPv6, Properties, use the following IPv6 address, type the IPv6 address, add the interface ID, the prefix is going to be 64, OK, close again, look for the command prompt, open the command prompt, do ipconfig, and as you can see, the IPv6 address has been configured. Before you leave, remember that the promotion for this video is, if you subscribe and like the video, you will receive a lifetime supply of bacon from Mars. Troubleshoot and conquer.